Hey everybody, welcome back. You there. Today we're going to cook on that Range Master from Aldi's. Yep, we are. We're going to cook this a Western omelet or Denver omelet. There is a difference between them, and I read about it. I can't remember exactly what it was, what the difference was, or which one was which. So we're going to make a good old omelet with green peppers, onions, ham, and cheese. That's what we're going to do today. And also, I bought this. I posted this. This is the Range Master. I got this at Aldi's. The Griddle toolkit. I do have another griddle. I have a griddle toolkit I just got for my birthday. This was at Aldi's, and it is Range Master. That is Range Master. So I went ahead and bought it because it just says Range Master, and I'll probably never see this ever again. I don't know. Who knows? But anyway, so we got this, and we're going to use it. Clean it up, use it, and let's just get the show on the road. All right, so I got everything ready. I got this thing going. Put it on low, I put it on high to get going. I'll clean it. There's our ham, green peppers, onions, and our 3 eggs. And I got cheese. We got cheese coming, so bear with me on this. My original big tripod broke, so I gotta use the small tripod. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it real quick. So I have to go with this angle. Can't go over there. I don't have any room. This is a small tripod, so here we go. We're gonna clean her up. Let her steam. It's gonna be clean. This is how I clean it. Yeah, the steam gets hot. Kills all the germs. You should know that. People should know that. Ooh. Look at these new, oh yeah, let me show you these new ones. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Look, the same size, got beveled edges all the way around it. That's for your grease to come out or whatever. That's for your grease. You know, your meats and stuff, you know, pour out of there. So here's your solid one. Very good quality. Very good, I'm impressed with it. And your little dough scraper, I guess you call it. So you got Range Master on it. Look, it's got a little beveled edge. All of them do. Right there. On the other side. Nope, not on just one side. That's fine. Anyway. We got it going. We're going to get this thing started. All right. We'll have to do a couple of different angles. I don't have very much room to do this. This is a small tripod. I got some Imperial butter. I'm use about a tablespoon for now. Cut it. Maybe a little more. Let that melt. Melt it really good. Yeah, I'm excited about this omelet. Oh, I've been wanting an omelet for a couple of days. I've been thinking about it. It's on low, about 250. Butter makes everything taste better. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, first thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna go ahead and just throw all this on there at one time. I'll change angles here in a minute. All right, got all this on there. Cooking it up. Been there for a few minutes. I'm gonna cook up some, oh no, I lost it. Yeah, gotta keep it up here. Yeah, we're not gonna pour those eggs down there again. Over here, we're gonna put these eggs up here. Remember last time it ran 3 eggs, ran down through there out of 6. We're not gonna make that same mistake again. We'll let these cook up. We'll put a little salt and pepper on them. Little pepper. Little salt. That's about all the ingredients we're going to use today. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper makes everything taste better. Cook that up for a minute. We'll get that cooked up. Now let's give it a quick stir. We're good to cook. About ready. That's a lot. That's a lot. Man, yeah. Ooh, yeah, it's about done. We'll be able to take these off Put our eggs down. Get it ready. It'll be a short video here. Alright, we'll do it this way. Just kind of move it around. I found me a little table to put that on. These are done. There, like there. Here's our cooked product. Good to go. Look at that. Can't wait. I can taste it right. Let's check our temperature on this. 404 or 20. 386 over here. So right here we're at 377. 376. We'll go ahead and put our oil down and get it started. Put that oil out there. Put in oil so it don't stick. Just a second there, look at it here. Like an onion. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. So make sure your spatulas are clean. Pretty much clean. Go ahead, we'll pour this omelet on here. I'm gonna show you do this really slow. See how bad it runs. Just the way we're running, going down. Go slow. Last time I poured it, ran all the way down here. I had it down, I was pouring it down here, and it ran all the way in there, so we ain't doing that again. Oh yeah, it's 3-egg omelet right there. Look at that. Good. See it? It's all right. Kind of move it back. Omelet ain't got to be pretty. Not looking for anything beautiful. Whoops. I'll move it over a little bit. Cooking. Didn't take long for these things. Do not take long at all to cook. Move it over a little bit. Kind of control it a little bit. There we go. It's gonna cook. It's gonna cook out. Now, we'll put our delicious ingredients in there. Here, it's a little warm. So we'll do it like this. I gotta get my cheese. Gotta get the cheese. There. Today we're gonna use a Fiesta blend. Fiesta blend. Look at there. Put it on top. There. But then, you know, you put however much you want to. I don't ever put a cup. I don't care what you put on there. I just do what I want to do. I'll fold these over. Fold it over. 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 Come on, baby. Work with me. There we go. Fold it over. And there you go. There's your omelet. 3 cheese omelet right there, ready to go. Pull it off. Ooh, look at that. That looks good. Pull that off. Over there. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. That right there, my friend, is your Western omelet. Ham, cheese, green peppers, and onions. Wow, that's gonna be delicious. Look at that. Oh man. I'm gonna take a bite of this in just a second. I'm also gonna enjoy this Cholula hot sauce on there. I like hot sauce on my eggs and omelets. I like that. It's the only hot sauce I got. So let's cut into this thing. Let's see what she looks like. Let's see if it looks like inside. that. Oh, look at that. That looks so delicious. Look at that. Oh, that melted cheese. Ham, green peppers, onions. Look at that. Oh, that looks delicious. That looks so delicious. Let's take a bite. That's part of the video right here. Get a little better view of that. Look at that inside of that. Oh yeah, look at that. So we'll do it. We'll take 2 bites. One without the hot sauce and one with the hot sauce. Here we go. There we go. Our Western omelet. I'm ready. I'm excited. I'm ready. Can't wait. Look at that. Really good. It's got a crunch from the onions, just a little crunch from the green peppers. And that ham is just, oh, so good. Oh, that ham is good. Yeah. Let's try one with the hot sauce on it now. Ooh, yeah, look at that. That hot sauce, look at that ham pop up out of there. We got cheese melted. Look at that. It's going to be delicious. Here we go. Yeah, that's very good. I love those omelets. I love an omelet. Man, God, I love them. I like making them on that griddle too. I never made one on a griddle. Better to have now. So there we go. We got one made on the griddle. We got a Western omelet. I'm gonna make a couple more omelets. Not today, but in more videos. And do some more stuff. So I love that griddle. Whew, God, yeah. All right. Yes, it's a good griddle. I recommend buying it. I mean, it's $59.99 at Aldi's. It's affordable. It's a cheap griddle, and it works great. It works. It actually works good. So, there you go. There's your video for the Western omelet. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and do subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button for me, because I sure do need some subscribers, and I need some likes. And comment below, do you like hot sauce, picante sauce, or what is your favorite to put on top? What do you like to smother it in? Oh, yeah, I like to know, because I love coming up with ideas, new ideas on what to do on stuff like this. Man, yeah, you let me know. Please let me know, because I'll probably end up making it, so if you got some good ideas, I'll do it. I want to do it, So thank you for watching. Have a good week.